Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. All right, so now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at PolyFitScalper. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Steven Wong Sing Seng, and it's priced at 399 US dollars to buy, with rental options starting at 39 US dollars per month and going to 99 US dollars per 3 months, 179 US dollars per 6 months, and up to 299 US dollars for a year at a 37% saving. Now, the EA is on version 2.1, and scrolling into the description, this trades signals from a polynomial regression channel and with optional pivot and trend quality filters. The listing directly states that it supports fixed lot sizing, okay, risk percent sizing, and what it calls ATR-step Martingale with a basket recovery exit. So Martingale style position scaling is an explicitly built-in disclosed option here, not something I am inferring. Now, going through the features, the regression channel has a configurable degree and sigma bandwidth with optional daily pivot and RSI plus ADX trend quality filters. Okay, signal combination can require all filters to agree, a majority, or just anyone. And the Martingale system adds positions based on ATR distance with an exit tied to the overall basket's net profit. Now, there is also ATR based dynamic stop loss, take profit, trailing, and break even, along with daily loss and maximum drawdown guards, and an included XAU USD M5 preset. Now, the getting started steps are direct about these two. Setting the money management mode to Martingale and enabling the Martingale toggle is presented as a configuration choice with a specific recommendation to set the loss ratio to 0 when using basket recovery specifically. The listing's own risk notice states plainly that Martingale and grid style recovery increase exposure quickly. All right, so now let us just quickly get into the back test that I ran myself, and I want to flag directly. Okay, the settings in this particular test had Martingale enabled. All right, so this test started with an initial deposit of $10,000, and by the end of the test period, the account showed a net loss of just over $10,000, essentially the entire starting balance. So the account was blown. All right, now let us break down how it got there. This backtest covered XAU USD on the M5 time frame from the start of January through mid-July 2026. Now, it had a history quality of 99%, and across 1,478 total trades, the win rate came in at 42%. Now, the drawdown reached essentially 100% on both a balance and equity basis, we can see. And there was a stretch of 19 consecutive losses. We can see here 19 consecutive losing trades during the test. All right. While the consecutive wins were 11. Okay. Now, the profit factor came in at 0.77 and the expected payoff per trade was negative. Given that Martingale was active in this specific configuration, this result lines up directly with the risk warning the listing itself provides, about how quickly exposure can increase with this recovery method. All right. So I am going to strongly recommend that you test this with Martingale disabled first to evaluate the base signal quality on its own, before layering in the Martingale recovery system, given how this configuration performed here. All right. Now we're just going to take a sneak peek at the trade history for a bit, right? I can see that the EA seems to be executing back-to-back trades. That's one of the things I can observe here. Immediately a trade is closing, it doesn't take long before another one is opened. But in some cases, it might take maybe an hour or a few hours, because this is the 5 minute time frame. So each candle here represents 5 minutes. So in this case, we had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 13 candles in between this trade and this trade. So 13 candles is giving us about 65 minutes, right? So that means about an hour, 5 minutes uh gap between this and this trade. But you can see between this and this, just 10 minutes. Between this and this, okay, well, I'll call it 15 minutes, right? And here 15 minutes again. So basically the trades are executed almost following each other. All right, that's one of the observations I can see here. And then some of the trades, well, a few of them seem to be held for a long period of time, just like this one, although this was a losing trade. And then this was a winning trade though. So maybe depending on the structure, the exit structure and all of that, right? Some trades last for just some minutes, while others span several hours. Okay, so who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have observed so far, what is shown here, this specific Martingale enabled configuration resulted in essentially a full account loss. All right, and it is consistent with the listing's own risk warning about this feature. Okay, but as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable. So it is one thing to keep in mind. Let's just briefly look at the graph. The balance and equity curve here, of course, what are we going to expect for an account that got blown? From the start, it was sort of stagnant. At least had it been there was some level of you know profit over time before a decline started, maybe it would have been encouraging. But it was just mostly sideways, just a very brief rise and then consistent fall, until the account got blown, right? But I'm going to recommend that if you still want to give this expert advice, or maybe a benefit of the doubt or something, you want to test the fixed lot and martingale configuration separately before considering any live use. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.